continue the toilet installation. As you know, the pipe comes out here, and what I'm going to do is try and drill through the bottom of the house in the floor so it come out bottom, which is the whole point of it. So we'll give that a go.
Continue on London Orbital motorway for 10 miles.
Well, it was the plan. What can I say? When I went to drill out the hole, I made the hole, got down as far as the metal, checked the bottom of the portaloo, only to find that it's cracked and it's leaking everywhere. So basically now the toilet had to go, which was a shame really, because it was working perfectly. It worked perfectly all the time. So that's a bit of a bugger. So now, as you can see, all I've got now is the hole left. Everything just broke. I don't know if it froze or why it even cracked, because it was working fine for at least a month. Something must have happened, whatever it was. So I've had to take the toilet out. So it's going to be a case of let's start again. Hey ho.